Hi, Herutia. It's Carol Billing. I'm your instructor for Education 120, and you boxed me a question about the spacing. So let me show you how that works. So when you want to set your spacing for your paper, you want to do Control A to select everything, and then you want to go up here to this paragraph. And when you pull this paragraph dialog box open, you'll see it says spacing before, spacing after, and these need to be set to both 0, because otherwise you have extra spacing after, and that's really common. Usually it's not before. But you want both of those to 0 and then double there and then hit OK. And if you watch right here, you'll see it tighten up just a scotch. So it tightens up just a little bit. And now it's a true double space, 0 before and 0 after. So again, that was your paragraph dialog box. And right here, spacing before and after needs to be set to 0. So I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.